Main engine fuel oil duplex filter. This is your filter housing, your filter screen, your filter support plate, and of course your candle filters. So let's start, and please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. So first, put the candle filter inside the slot of the circle and make sure that the O-ring and the spring has been inserted to your candle filter, and put it inside that hole. Just push it downwards. Okay, again, push it downwards with a spring, and make sure that all the O-rings will be intact every time you put that filter candles inside that housing. Okay, again, push the spring and put the candle filter. Repeat the steps again and again until you finish all the 18 candle filters. Just make sure that the filters are clean before we put the screen, and put it on the upside down position and put the screen above. Okay, then you need to turn it upside down again and try to push the whole candle filter with the housing downwards. Turn it upside down again and put the plate support. Just make sure it is clean and put it and with the screws. Just make sure that the screws are not so tight, because it can damage your plate, because it is made of mild steel, or should I say carbon steel. Okay, so that's all. I guess we're done. Thank you and God bless. Safe sailing.